come here, it is black, okay, because what we are styling for John, okay, or we are calling James here, okay. So until we create a styling for James, okay, until we create a styling for James, and we say color is green. So until then, we'll now have it changed to green because the ID we are working with is what? Is James. Okay, good. If we try to change this to Andrew and we save it, the div class, we'll try to save it with maybe let's say hero text, save it hero text, and we save it. It won't work, okay, it won't work. It will be black, the normal black, because this hero text that we named this, we didn't create any styling for hero text until we come here and we say hash hero text, we open our curly bracket and say color is let's say blue, okay, and then we save it. That's why we will now get to have blue here, okay. So that's how div ID works, okay. It works with your hash, okay, good. So now let's clear this up, let's clear this and leave only John. So we'll go back to change our ID name to what? To John, okay, to John. So now if you want to create a difference for this web development area now, okay, just that place only, we create our span, okay. So create our span, then we'll put this, close it like this now, okay. And see that the web development is in between our span, right? Good. So we can decide to save it like this. It won't make any difference, okay, good. But we want to now work on this span now. So we want to call this span here, okay. You can now say span. Remember I mentioned it in our last video that if you are not naming your span or anything, if you are not naming it with probably a class or an ID, just write it like that, just call it like that in your styling, okay. But if you are attaching a class to it, you have to use your dot, and if you are attaching an ID to it, you have to use your hash, okay. If you missed the last video on class HTML classes, try to find it on our page here, you see it, okay. So now you under your span, you can now say color is let's say color is green, okay, color is green. So now note that this color we are seeing is green is only for span